Right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Greetings and welcome, people. As discussed in my last on-bike vlog, this video is not on a bike, but it is to do with my previous helmet camera, so it is vaguely related to motovlogging. This is the camera in question. It's a Mio Mivue M350, and when I got it sorted and working reasonably well, it wasn't that bad a camera. 1080p 30, fully self-contained. It has another feature which I particularly wanted this type of camera for, which, in fact, there's two features. One is the form factor, which is this what they call bullet style or flashlight or torch style. I like that form factor for helmet mounting rather than the blocky GoPro style. So yeah, I've had this for 2 years and it's been okay. Some months ago I noticed that the video quality was getting very fuzzy and misty, like I was riding through a permanent fog, and I found that the clear plastic lens cover here, it's not actually part of the lens system, it's more part of the case because it protects the lens system, had gone hazy. So I polished it up and it was okay for a while, and then it started doing it again a few weeks back, and I had another go at polishing it, and the end result was, I think you can see inside there. Now some of that is the polish that I was using, but a lot of it is basically the plastic has, in my view, effectively melted. So the idea of today's little exercise is, just using this as a pointer, I'm going to attempt to remove almost all of this, what should be clear plastic, with that, hopefully. If that doesn't work, I'll have to use a drill and something else, possibly this, my pointer. And then I'm going to attempt to stick a replacement lens cover on. Now I've got two items here. These are actually called watch crystals. This one, to call it watch crystal, is a bit of a misnomer because it's actually acrylic, but as you can see it's nice and clear, and obviously will make a better substitute for the one that's currently in there. But if I can, I would like to use this. Now this is another watch crystal, similar size to that one, but this is actually glass, mineral glass. Now obviously that would be a better alternative to a plastic cover, that obviously plastic can scratch and crack. Mineral glass obviously is a lot stronger, but we won't know which one I'll be able to use until I get that out of there and see how much clearance there is between the end of the lens system and the new clear bit. So here we go. I'll just move that out of the way. I don't get any bits of plastic and stuff in them. Let's put some stuff out of the way and let's have at it. Oh, the other thing I was going to say was I've got these two broad thin flat washers that will go in there, and they will basically give me a guide to run the tool around that isn't going to cut into the shoulder inside the unit. So let's have at it. Cut. Right, try that again. cut. Right, let's see if that helps. Secured the washers in place with some blue tack. Goodness sake. What's going on? Change of tool to right. I think that's the bulk of it done. Now, need to do some cleanup. Let me get my half-round file. No. And there we are. Right, just remove my guide, which I don't think I actually needed, but it was there just in case. Right, just going to do a bit of cleanup and then we'll be back. Okay, that's a bit better. Excuse me. Now we need to determine how much clearance we have. To fit the replacement lens cover. So let's try my preferred option, the mineral glass. Go on, out you come. There we go. Now I think that's going to be okay. Yes. If that had rocked on the end of the primary lens, that would have been no good. So, let's get to it. Nothing to it but to do it. Right, so here we go. Remove this. Get one of these. And no, I don't use these for my drug habit. These were bought specifically for this particular purpose. So I want to make sure that the Gorilla Glue has the best possible chance of sticking securely. Ew. So glad I did that. Did this. Did that, this, that. Okay, let that dry. So I'm going to use a little blob of blue tack on the end of a pencil. That's my installation tool, if it'll stay. Okay, make sure that's dry. Oops. Here we go. Let's see how precise this is at application. We'll see how shaky my hands are, probably more like. Ooh. In a second. Yeah, that tip's not quite as fine as I thought it was going to be. Come on. Excuse me if it sounds like I'm shouting at the moment, because I'm leaning very close to the microphone. Oops. Dang it. Right, let's leave that to set. I'll have to give the inside a clean with another alcohol wipe when we're done. Didn't quite go as straightforward as I'd hoped. Okay, let's... Right, I'll butterfingers today. Right, let's let that cure. Go and do something else and come back. Okay, that is it cleaned up as best I can. I've just refitted the unit to the camera for a test fit. And it goes on okay. I might need to apply a little bit of a thin smear of rubber grease to the O-ring to make sure it is watertight. But yeah, it's not quite the clean, invisible fix that I was hoping for. But it's certainly a lot better than it was. I've just taken a few seconds of test footage. I'm going to go and have a look at that now, see how it turned out. So I'll attach that to the end of this clip if it looks okay. And oh, excuse me. So thanks for watching. Hope it was at least amusing, if not informative. Well, I don't see what was funny in it, but you might do. Thanks very much. Cheerio for now. Bye.